It's Vlogmas Day 9 and I do have some updates for you. So do you remember when we did our little 36 by 36 seed tray and I planted the zinnias, beans, carrots, and marigolds? Guess what's coming up first? Beans. Look it already. Already coming up. Nothing else yet, and the others. And let me show you what else is growing. So nothing in the lettuce department yet, but look it in the carrot department. You see them little ones? So that's a good thing. And then just a little mini seed haul for you. I went and got some more snap peas. These are pea snap sugar magnolia. Sow in early spring and late summer. Gorgeous purple snap pea. Recommend 4 to 6 weeks before your average last frost date. And 10 to 12 weeks before your average first frost date. When to start inside, it says it's not recommended. And it says special germination instructions to soak seed in water for 12 to 24 hours prior to sowing. It's not required, but it helps the germination. Next, I actually bought 2 different seed packets of nasturtiums. They were beautiful last year, or last spring. So when I looked for them at Lowe's, H-E-B, they didn't have them, which I wasn't expecting them being winter. But when I went to Nelson's Garden Center, I did find this one here. And then the Fiesta blend, which I think that's what I had before, was a Fiesta blend. And let's see. So with the purple and her, it says when to sow outside, recommended. 1 to 2 weeks after your average last frost. When to start inside, they don't recommend it. 2 to 4 weeks prior to your average last frost. And you can soak these 12 to 24 hours before sowing, and darkness aids germination. And this probably says the same thing. Pretty much. Yep, same thing. But I thought these are beautiful, so I bought more. I haven't checked my mail yet. As you know, I'm still waiting for my Baker's Creek catalog that I paid for on November 28th. My thought is, did everybody order it, so now they had to make more? I don't know. Still waiting. And then I bought this today when we went to the store. I kind of love the rustic theme over in this one corner, so I thought this was a real nice addition next to my strawberries. And then lastly, I purchased this metal little bucket. I might actually replant my catmint into this and keep this at the tank here with some other, the other plants that I purchased Thursday, that was.